Moon has always fascinated humanity, shining brightly in our night sky and inspiring countless myths, stories, and scientific inquiries. As Earth's only natural satellite, the moon is much more than just a distant light. It has played a crucial role in shaping our planet's tides, calendars, and even our dreams of space exploration. Today we embark on a journey to explore the moon, uncovering its mysteries and understanding why it continues to captivate us. Let's begin by looking at how the moon became such an important part of our lives and what makes it so unique among celestial bodies. Scientists believe the moon formed about 4.5 billion years ago, likely as a result of a massive collision between Earth and a Mars-sized object. This impact sent debris in orbit, which eventually coalesced to form the moon. This theory, known as the giant impact hypothesis, explains many of the moon's characteristics, such as its composition and orbit. Understanding the moon's origin helps us learn more about the early solar system and the processes that shaped our planet. The story of the moon's birth is a dramatic one, filled with cosmic violence and remarkable transformation. When we look at the moon, we see a landscape marked by craters, mountains, and vast plains called Maria. These features tell the story of billions of years of impacts and volcanic activity. The dark patches or Maria are ancient lava flows, while the lighter areas are highlands covered in craters from countless collisions with asteroids and comets. The moon's surface is harsh, with extreme temperatures and no atmosphere to protect it. Studying these features gives scientists clues about the history of our solar system and the forces that have shaped the moon over time. Moon goes through a regular cycle of phases, from new moon to full moon and back again. These phases are caused by the changing angles of sunlight as the moon orbits Earth. Each phase has been observed and recorded by cultures around the world, often used to mark time and guide agricultural activities. The beauty of the moon's phases continues to inspire artists, poets, and scientists alike. Understanding these phases helps us appreciate the dynamic relationship between the Earth, moon, and sun. One of the most important effects the moon has on Earth is its influence on our tides. The gravitational pull of the moon causes the oceans to bulge, creating high and low tides. This regular movement of water shapes coastlines, affects marine life, and even impacts human activities like fishing and shipping. Without the moon, Earth's tides would be much weaker, and life along our shores would be very different. The connection between the moon and our oceans is a powerful reminder of how interconnected our planet is with its satellite. Long before telescopes, people observed the moon with the naked eye, tracking its movements and phases. Ancient civilizations built monuments aligned with lunar cycles and used the moon to create calendars. These early observations laid the foundation for astronomy and our understanding of the cosmos. The moon's predictable patterns made it a reliable guide for navigation and agriculture, influencing cultures across the globe. Even today, the moon remains a symbol of mystery and wonder, connecting us to our ancestors' curiosity and ingenuity. The invention of the telescope in the early 17th century revolutionized our view of the moon. Galileo Galilei was among the first to use a telescope to study the lunar surface, discovering mountains, craters, and valleys. These observations shattered the belief that the moon was a perfect, smooth sphere and revealed its true rugged nature. Telescopes allowed scientists to map the moon in detail and sparked a new era of exploration and discovery. The moon became not just a distant object, but a world waiting to be explored. The mid-20th century, the moon became the focus of intense competition between the United States and the Soviet Union. This period, known as the space race, saw both nations striving to achieve major milestones in space exploration. The launch of Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, and the subsequent missions to send probes and eventually humans to the moon, captured the world's imagination. The moon became a symbol of technological progress and national pride, driving rapid advancements in science and engineering. Before humans set foot on the moon, robotic probes were sent to study its surface. The Soviet Lunar program and the American Ranger and Surveyor missions provided valuable data and images, revealing the moon's landscape in unprecedented detail. These early missions paved the way for human exploration by testing landing techniques and analyzing the lunar environment. The information gathered by these probes was crucial for planning the first crewed missions and ensuring the safety of astronauts. July 20, 1969, Apollo 11 made history as Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the moon. Their famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed around the world. The Apollo 11 mission demonstrated the power of human ingenuity and determination, marking a turning point in our relationship with the moon. The images and samples brought back from the lunar surface provided invaluable insights into the moon's composition and history. Astronauts who visited the moon faced a harsh and unforgiving environment. With no atmosphere, the surface is exposed to extreme temperatures, radiation, and micrometeorite impacts. The experience of walking on the moon was both exhilarating and challenging, requiring careful planning and specialized equipment. The lessons learned from these missions have informed the design of future spacesuits and habitats, bringing us closer to the possibility of longer stays on the moon and beyond. Apollo missions returned with hundreds of kilograms of lunar rocks and soil, providing scientists with a treasure trove of information. These samples revealed the moon's composition, age, and geological history, helping to confirm theories about its formation. The study of lunar materials continues to yield new discoveries, deepening our understanding of the moon and its relationship to Earth. Each rock tells a story, connecting us to the ancient past of our solar system. Like the side we see from Earth, the far side of the moon is rugged and heavily cratered. It remained a mystery until spacecraft were able to photograph and study it. The far side has unique features including large impact basins and a thicker crust. Exploring this hidden hemisphere has provided new insights into the moon's evolution and the forces that have shaped its surface. The far side continues to be a focus for future missions and scientific research. Recent missions have discovered evidence of water ice in permanently shadowed craters near the moon's poles. This discovery has major implications for future exploration, as water can be used for drinking, growing food, and even making rocket fuel. The presence of water makes the moon a more viable destination for long-term missions and could serve as a stepping stone for journeys deeper into space. Scientists are now working to map and understand the distribution of lunar water. Even after the Apollo missions, robotic spacecraft have continued to explore the moon. Orbiters, landers, and rovers from various countries have mapped the surface, studied its composition, and searched for resources. These missions have expanded our knowledge and prepared the way for future human exploration. The use of robotics allows us to reach places that are too dangerous or remote for astronauts, making the moon more accessible than ever before. Exploring the moon is now a global effort, with countries like China, India, and the European Union launching their own missions. International collaboration has become essential for sharing knowledge, technology, and resources. Working together increases the chances of success and allows for more ambitious projects, such as building lunar bases or conducting joint scientific experiments. The spirit of cooperation is helping humanity reach new heights in lunar exploration. As technology advances, the idea of building permanent bases on the moon is becoming more realistic. Lunar bases could serve as research stations, mining outposts, or even habitats for astronauts. These bases would require innovative solutions for life support, energy, and transportation. Establishing a human presence on the moon would be a major step toward exploring other planets and expanding our reach into the solar system. Throughout history, the moon has played a central role in art, literature, and mythology. It has been seen as a symbol of romance, mystery, and change. From ancient legends to modern movies, the moon continues to inspire creativity and imagination. Its presence in our night sky connects people across cultures and generations, reminding us of our shared curiosity and desire to explore the unknown. Exploring the moon is not without its challenges. Harsh conditions, high costs, and technical difficulties must all be overcome to achieve success. Scientists and engineers are constantly developing new technologies to protect astronauts, improve transportation, and make lunar missions more sustainable. Each challenge brings new opportunities for innovation and discovery, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Looking ahead, the moon will continue to be a focus for exploration and discovery. New missions are planned to study its resources, test new technologies, and prepare for journeys to Mars and beyond. The moon may one day become a hub for scientific research, industry, and even tourism. As we learn more about our closest neighbor, we also learn more about ourselves and our place in the universe. Exploration of the moon is far from over. With each new mission, we uncover more about its history, resources, and potential. The moon serves as a gateway to the rest of the solar system, offering opportunities for science, innovation, and adventure. As we continue to reach for the stars, the moon will remain a symbol of human curiosity and the endless possibilities that await us beyond Earth. The journey has just begun, and the future of lunar exploration is brighter than ever.